Hello. To create excellent CSV report based on tabular data from your Grafana data source, all you need to do is connect your database which are present inside your Grafana. To do that, you can click on the data source section and edit the existing data source. For example, if you have a Grafana configured like this, you can click on this three dot icon and then you can click on the edit button, and you can scroll down and you would be able to see an option to enable Excel report. This actually allows you to create excellent CSV report. Once then you need to create a connection to your database. For example, if you want to create a report from Prometheus, all you need to do is click on the button and then you need to provide a username and a password, and then you need to give it a save and test. So now you can see my Prometheus is connected. So now if I try to create a report, the tablet report, I would be able to create the report. I'll show you for an example. I'm choosing a tabular report and I'm using my data source. I'm using my main organization and suppose long table. Now I can just bring in, and if I click on the next button, I will be able to set up a schedule, and it's done. So now my report is ready. I can simply generate it and download it, and my report would be generated as well as it's downloaded. So the only step is to connect to your database before trying to create an Excel report. This will make the reported error go away. So this is how my Excel report would look like post generation. Let me know if you have any further questions that I may help you with.